been a long process, but yeah, other than that, we got wide body, baby. So I still need to do a little work on the inside with this, knocking these high spots in and then making it look all pretty. But down here, I still got this piece hanging. This was really fucked up. The fitment was just trash. I'm just waiting for the side skirt so I can really fit it. So the side skirt's gonna sit here, and I wanna make sure this fits nice and flush with it. But this shit is solid. And you see like the OEM bumper, like arch to the flare, and that's really wide. I mean, I think the hardest thing about this whole rear end process is going to be making the bumper extensions, because for whatever reason Screw Garage made the fucking arch like what, 2 inches more forward from the OEM one, which I thought was stupid. Extend it forward and mold the arch into it with some fiberglass. I mean, it shouldn't be such a big deal. Alright y'all, so this is how she's sitting right now. We got tons of progress done to it. My main concern tomorrow is I want to get these re-fiberglassed, fitting perfect and flush. But just to show you guys how far I needed to come, this is the bumper where it stopped. This is how wide it needed to go. This mold will get us roughly, really roughly to where we need. It's gonna need tons of work because it's not a perfect mold. This is my first time molding single pieces. As far as with this door jamb, got this filled up, so now I'm just gonna smooth that out and then go from there. This is the finished dog leg on the passenger side. Came out real nice. I am fucking with the driver's side now. Oh. I'm currently trying to make this body line right here pop out a little bit more. And then I'm trying to close up this gap a little tighter. Other than that, she's looking great. That's gonna be it for this video. We got tons of shit done, like I said. I'm super hyped with how it's going. Everything's turning out real nice. To be honest, man, this shit's gonna be better than my fucking car. Watch.